Cookies in PHP. Welcome to Cookies in PHP video. In this video, we'll illustrate how to work with cookies in PHP. After going through this video, you must be able to employ and use cookies in PHP. Hidden from fields and query strings. Hidden from fields and query strings are different ways to preserve an application when requests are sent to the server for processing. These techniques, however, can work effectively for small amount of data for short time. However, when you need to store large amount of data for long time, you must use cookies. Cookies are the best way to store such values. It enables cookies to store data. You must turn on cookie support in your web browser. After setting a cookie, it will enable you to store a small amount of data limited to 4 KB in the web browser for a user. Web browsers usually can store up to 30 cookies per domain. When a user sends a request to the server, the data stored in the cookies were also sent to the server in the form of a request. This implies that once the data are stored in your browser in the form of a cookie, the data automatically becomes available for the moment itself. You can also configure it to expire the moment the web browser is closed. However, it is recommended that critical data should not be stored in cookies. Other non-critical data such as user preferences can be stored. Next, let's see how to set up a cookie in PHP. PHP has a built-in function called setCookie to create a cookie on the web browser. To set a cookie, simply name the argument is enough. However, to prevent ambiguity, it is better to specify arguments such as name, value, path, and expires. You must call the setCookie function before transmitting the result to the web browser. Now, let's look at an example. In the above code, the username is the name of the cookie and Maria is the value for the cookie. The built-in function time is called, which returns the current time Unix timestamp format. The cookie will expire in another 1 year from now. Next, let's see arguments used in setting up a cookie. Read the table. Set cookie. This function takes arguments from different fields of a cookie as shown. Now let's see how to read a cookie. Path indicates the path using which the web browser should send the cookie. If the path is given, then the web browser will send the cookie to all the URLs that have this path. Domain sets the domain to which the web browser will send the cookie back. Secure signifies that cookie should be sent through a secure HTTPS connection to the server. If this field is not set, then the web browser will send the cookie to the server irrespective of whether the connection is secure or not. HTTP only notifies the web browser that data stored in the cookie must be accessible only through HTTP. You can read cookies by using $_cookie auto global array. This array holds a collection of all the cookies sent by the client to the server to view the value stored in the previous cookie. You can use the following code: echo $_cookie square brackets double inverted commas username. The first time when the script is run, it displays nothing as $_cookie username array does not exist. However, when the page is again reloaded, the cookie is sent back to the server and therefore now the array is available with the value is displayed. Now let's see how to modify a cookie. You can modify the value of a cookie by using the same function called setCookie. The code to modify a cookie is as follows: setCookie brackets double inverted commas username comma princey comma time plus 60 into 60 into 24 into 365 echo $_cookie username. In the code, the value of the username cookie is modified from Maria to Princey. Now let's see how to delete the cookie. When a cookie is no longer required, it can be deleted by using the setCookie function and by setting the expire argument to a value in the past. Doing so immediately deletes the cookie from the web browser. The following code can be used: setCookie bracket double quotations username princey comma time comma 60 into 60 into 24 into 365 echo $_cookie square brackets username double inverted commas. Now let's see another method to delete the cookie. Another method to delete a cookie is using the unset function. The following is the code to use the unset function: unset bracket $_cookie username square brackets double inverted commas. Now let's summarize our learnings. The summary of the tutorial on cookies in PHP has been put on the screen. I'll pause for a few seconds to allow you to read it. You can see these functions to set the cookie in the web browser. Thank you for watching the video.